Hey YouTube. Alright, I'm gonna show you guys a tool that I picked up the other day. I was doing some modifications to some duct work for my new dryer that I installed, and I needed a good pair of snips to cut the duct work, and I didn't really feel like going real cheap. I wanted something that could cut through it like butter, if you know what I mean. So went to Menards, and this is what I saw, or um, this is a pair that looked like could cut through the thickest stuff out of all the snips that they sold there. So this is what it came on. Let's take a closer look at this. Midwest Snips, Bulldog Aviation Snips, made in USA, cut 16 gauge, cold rolled steel, seams, S cleats, forged blades, and the rest there. So turn around back. Everything I saw looked like it would do the job, do it quickly and cleanly, and that was what I was looking for. So anyway, here's the tool itself. Now, one thing I like to do is when I pick up a tool, before I buy it, I like to feel it. I like to feel it in action as well. So everything felt good, if you know what I mean. Sounded good too. Those are some serious blades there, though. Let's see if we can take a closer look. Some good tight tolerances there too. But and the handles felt good too. Had a good ergonomic feel to it. So it's a good pair of American-made Snips. So anyway, I got this piece here because I'm going to cut through some stuff to show you guys just how easily it cuts through this stuff. It did a good job. You know, I'll tell you guys that much. It did a really good, clean job as far as when I was modifying that ductwork. So let's just start cutting. Now, they don't have real long jaws, so it's kind of hard to keep going in a straight line. But as you can see, it's cutting it like nothing. Let's go ahead and make another cut. Come in from this side. Let's get closer. But yeah, I don't have to squeeze too hard, and it just cuts it like nothing. Like I said, doesn't have the longest blades, so, or jaws, whatever you want to call them. So you got to take your time and just plan your cuts, I guess you could say. But for the most part, it's good stuff. You can always tell it's doing a good job cutting when nothing gets rolled or bent up. It just goes right through it like nothing. So anyway, having too much fun doing this. Anyway, alright, there you go. Now let's take a look at the cut itself. Let's take a look at this. You can see, nice clean cut. Nothing's rolled over or crimped or whatever you want to call it. It's just a good clean cut. That's what I was looking for. So these snips feel like they could do this a lot. So I don't plan on doing too much more duct work with dryers because it's a pain in the butt, if you know what I mean. But if you need a tool, do some trimming, highly recommend these. So anyway, yeah, Midwest Snips, made in USA. Can't go wrong with them. But alright guys, there it is. Hope you enjoy. Subscribe to my channel, but catch you later.